how to edit the image in Adobe Photoshop. It is very simple. Double click to convert into layer. So we have this image. We want some effects on that image. Simply click on filter, and here is the camera raw filter. Click on there. So if you click auto, then it automatically edit your image. So click on auto, and if you want to add some exposure to the image, you can adjust it. And if I want to some darkness, I want to add some shadow there, and some whiteness, and click on OK. The image has been edited successfully. By this tool you can easily edit any type of image. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.